Alright guys, man, I'm on the other side of my land, man. I'm on the back side of this land right here where the end of the pond at, man. And boy, look where I done ran up on again. Look, I don't know if y'all can see him. Let me see if I can zoom in on him. Yeah, I don't see him. Not yet. See if I can zoom in on him. Oh yeah, can you see him now? Oh yeah. That's what I got to run into again. And look at it. Yeah, another rattler, boy. He big. So y'all gonna have to hold on while I'll eliminate him too. Boy, I gotta eliminate him too. He big too. Yeah, he was another big one. He was another big one. Look at that. Actually, I got my tape measure. Can I tape measure him? Let me see. Put a little head behind. Put a little head back up there. Let me see if I can measure him, see how long he is. Give me an estimate. Hold on. Okay, so he is about 4.5 feet. He about 4.5 feet. Look at all them rattlers he got on here. Oh yeah, he done shed many times. Yeah, he done shed many times.